Good morning, dear children. Today is 10th March 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Let us begin our day with the thought for the day. And today we have wonderful advice from a tree. Now listen to what the tree wants to tell you. Stand tall and proud. Go out on a limb. Remember your roots. Drink plenty of water. Be content with your natural beauty and enjoy the view. So please remember the advice given by the tree, and when we are talking of tree, we will listen to what the tree wants to tell all of us. So this is chapter number 33 on planting a tree. The chapter 32 Noble Monkey we will start in the next session, maybe in the next week, and again we have some activities given on page number 72 and 73. We might discuss those activities in our interactive session, and be a writer, that is also an activity based chapter, that also we will discuss in interactive session. So speaking of tree, the poem on planting a tree, let me tell you something. The children who are planting the tree, the children like you, I know you all must be interested in gardening. So the small children just like you, they are planting a tree and they have a question for the tree. They are asking the tree what it will be when they are old and grey. When the small children of your age, they are asking the tree that when they will be old, how the tree will be. We know that the tree, we all know that the tree requires many years to grow, isn't it? Now the question from the children is how the tree will be when they are old and grey. And beautiful answer given by the tree is that at that time it will be like a saving bank for a squirrel and mouse. You know one interesting thing, the squirrel, it collects so many nuts, seeds of fruit, and it stores somewhere near the tree or wherever it can find. Now so many trees are just planted because of these squirrels, because this small creature, it collects the nuts, seeds of fruit, and many times it forgets where it has kept it hiding. So many trees are just planted by this little creature. And you know what is a saving bank? We means we all, the human being, we save money for our future, isn't it? And we save that in bank. So the saving bank of the squirrel is a tree, because it can hide it anywhere near the roots or in any of the hollow of the tree. And in the saving bank, we save money, but is the squirrel concerned with the money? No, not at all. Squirrel is concerned with nuts and the things that it will require to eat when it is raining or the things are difficult. It will be house for robin and wren. Robin is a bird and wren is a small active brown bird. It is generally found in the northern hemisphere. It has short upright tails and the favorite food of this bird is insect. House of birds is obviously tree. That is their roosting place. They build nest and they live happily. So it will be house for robin and wren. It will be dressing room for the butterfly where it can get ready for its dance. Now butterfly doesn't dance, but the movement of butterfly, it seems as if it is dancing from one flower to another flower. And it is also a place where locust and katydid sing their song. These are insects. Locust is an insect that lives in hot countries, and katydid is a sort of large green grasshopper, and it is generally found in Northern America. And it is a place where, now you all have summer vacations. Now in Nagpur it is not possible to go out and play outside and build a tent house, but otherwise when the conditions are good, the boys will use the tree as a ladder. Why ladder? Because we all want to climb up and sit on the shady tree, and the girls, they build a tent and then they play. They build their tent house. So this is the poem. We are going to recite it, and Let me help you to understand the message. The message is very clear. In this poem, the poet wants to tell us about the benefits of planting trees, and the poet also wants to show that how a tree that has been planted many years earlier, how a single tree can help animals, birds and human beings for long time, for so many years afterwards. So these are the benefits of planting a tree. Now I hope all are ready with page number 79 and all are ready to recite the poem with me. So here we go on planting a tree. I will adjust my page. You be ready with your own page. Right? Dear little tree that we plant today, what will you be when we are old and grey? This is the question of children. They are asking the tree while planting a tree. की आम्ही जेव्हा मोठे होणार, आम्ही जेव्हा म्हातारे होणार, तेव्हा तू कसा असणार? Now this is the answer from the tree. The savings bank of the squirrel and mouse, for robin and wren an apartment house. The dressing room of the butterfly's ball, the locust and katydids concert hall. The schoolboy's ladder in happy May, and the schoolgirl's tent on a holiday. And my leaves shall whisper then merrily a tale of the children who planted me. Wonderful answer given by the tree, and poem is adopted from an Arbor Day tree. So the answer of tree, what you will be when we are old and grey, the children are asking, and the tree is giving them the answer that I will be saving bank. You can see the squirrel saving the things, and you can see the birds and small creatures happily singing songs. They are very happy near the tree because whatever they need flowers, they need a resting place, they need fruit, everything is provided by the tree to every one of us. Great benefits of planting the tree. So saving banks of squirrel and mouse, there are many hollows in the tree, and the squirrel and mouse, they can save their food for difficult time. And the small insect, robin and wren, they always reside around the tree or on the tree. So that will be the apartment house for them. Butterfly's ball is a type of dance. So the butterfly you have seen, it just appears as if the butterfly is just dancing around. So that also the tree is providing flowers, taste, and other things that the butterflies requires. Locust and katydid are insects, and they also make a particular sound. Grasshopper, you must have heard the green grasshopper always making a particular sound, and the tree is saying that is his concert. The schoolboy's ladder in happy May. This can be the ladder of the schoolboy to climb on the tree, and this can be the tent that the girl wants to build on the tree. And the trees, the leaves of the tree will be very happy. The tree will be very happy to sing the tale of the children who have planted. So the message is very clear. Try to plant at least one tree and take care of that tree, because you can think that I can plant many trees, but is it possible to take care of so many trees? Just decide that I will plant a tree and I will take care, and as the tree grows, after few years you need not to take care, the tree will grow on its own, it will fetch water on its own, isn't it? So I hope you all have enjoyed this poem. This is one of my favorite poem, as the message given is very good and it should be followed by all of us. So for today's homework, children recite this poem, and I am giving you PDF related to the previous chapter. Now what was the previous chapter? What was the previous chapter that we were reading? It was the story of friendship between Androcles and the lion. So I have given you word meanings, and whatever are related to the textbook I have given you. So please do write everything in your notebook, and along with that I will give you a very small PDF related to on planting a tree. So plenty of homework today I am giving you, because tomorrow being a holiday, even if the lesson is not posted, you can complete that, or even if a lesson is posted tomorrow, no issue, you can complete everything in Saturday and Sunday. So just take care that you are writing everything And in case you have not collected your notebooks from school, please do collect it as early as possible. So this is all for today. Take care and thank you.